Welcome back, kiddos. Let's learn the name of animals. This is the cat. This is the dog.
Whoa!
This is the sheep. This is the cow. This is the goat. This is the lion. This is the elephant. Subscribe our channel for more videos.